Hi fellow viewers to everybody. My name is Steve. I'm the owner of this video account. The next necrological video that I will present is about the most famous Filipino national artist in terms of painting. Now, who am I referring to? I'm referring to Fernando Cueto Amorsolo. Who is Fernando Cueto Amorsolo? He is known as the Filipino national artist in painting. Aside from Filipino national artist in painting, he is also the grand old man in Philippine art. Aside from painting, what are his major works? And what are his awards and achievements? Okay, I will answer that. By the way, a lot of you are asking, ito ba ay... by the way, I would like to inform to the viewers and audiences that this video is bilingual language. I will use English and Tagalog. That's my Filipino dialect. Mixture dialect. Two dialects only, Filipino and English. By the way, a lot of you are asking kung pwede ba ito i-repeat ang video na ito. Yes, pwede. You can repeat it as many times as you can because you will research it. By the way, what are his major works and awards and achievements? Okay, here's my answer. The major works that he achieved as a Filipino national artist in painting are Babaeng Nagdudusa, Corner of Hell, Burning of the Idol, Bataan, Assassination of Governor Bustamante, One Casualty, Princess Orduha. By the way, Planting Rice, he has multiple versions, 3 separate years. He has 1946, 1949, kasama yung may picture na Mayong Volcano, 1949 yon. Yung 1951, hindi nakasama ang Mayong Volcano. So, yung Planting Rice ay nasa UCPB collection, maaring nasa Land Bank na today kasi nag-merge yung bank. So they have a painting collection on that koan. Aside from that, I have found out that sa kanya din ang sa 1942, the bombing of Intendencia, the rape of Manila, all of itong dalawa ay 1942. Conversion of the Filipinos 1931. Sunday Morning Going to Town 1958, yan ay makikita sa Ayala Museum Collection. El Ciego 1928 by Central Bank, which is now BSP, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Dalagang Bukid 1936, it is found in Club Filipino Collection. Mestiza 1943, you can find it in National Museum of the Philippines. Nandoon ang kanyang painting, The Mestiza. The Burning of Manila 1946. Ito namang 1955, Confession de la Standarte Nacionale is kung i-convert natin or translate natin in English, the making of the Philippine flag. 1955 po yan. Ulitin ko yung The Explosion 1944. So yun na po ang kanyang puan. Awards and achievements. Okay, awards and achievements. 1908 he received second prize Bazar Escolta for Levendo Periodico. 1922 he received a first prize Commercial and Industrial Fair in the Manila Carnival. Then he is also considered as National Artist of the Philippines for visual arts. Then 1959 he received a gold medal from UNESCO National Commission. 1961 he received Rizal Pro Patria Award. He also received a Doctorate of Humanities from the Far Eastern University or FEU. 1963 he received three awards. He received a Diploma of Merit from the University of the Philippines, UP. UP. This is known as UP. The other one is Patnubay sa Sining at Kalinangan. The other one is award from the City of Manila Republic Cultural Heritage Award. 1972, he received Gawad CCP sa Sining from the Cultural Center of the Philippines before he died. On his educational background, he finished formal art education in Liceo de Manila. He also studied in UP School of Fine Arts, where he further honed his skills in painting and fine arts. Aside from painting, he is also a skilled photographer, because he was famous because his paintings are characterized by beautiful landscapes and rural scenes, which earned him a title, the Painter of Light. In his family background, he is the eldest of 5 children. He is known for his vivid depictions of landscapes, rural life, and portraits. On April 24, 1972, by the way, he was born on May 30, 1892 in Calle Hernan, that is found in Paco, Maynila. Then on April 24, 1972, he was confined at St. Luke's Medical Center in Quezon City for 2 months. So he was there since February. Then he died on April 24, 1972. He died of heart failure at age 79. Kung tatanungin niyo kung saan siya binorol, siya ay nilibing sa Loyola Memorial Park. He is buried in Loyola Memorial Park, located in Marikina City, Metro Manila. I hope that this video learns a lot of lessons, and you can repeat this so many times so that you could catch up who really is. At least you have an idea and who the person I'm referring to. I'll repeat, Fernando Cueto Amorsolo is known as the National Artist of the Philippines for Visual Arts. Thank you for listening in this video. Good morning.